Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of grayed out on Pinterest. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of grayed out on Pinterest app, you click on settings. In this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. And above you can search about Pinterest and you will enter Pinterest like this. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. So that you'll enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache. In the end you can turn on your airplane mode. And you can turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.